Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the practical number 2. So in the Excel practical number 2, you want to prepare the table like this initially. So after that you want to calculate the amount and discount amount, net amount. So in the question number 1, they are asking you to calculate the amount by using this formula quantity into price. So then the discount amount is equal to amount into discount percentage. So then you want to calculate the net total. So net total mean by subtract the discount amount from the amount. So then format the columns amount, discount, total and net total by using the RS currency sign. So finally you want to apply some effect on your table. So here, so two different method I am going to do this practical. So here, so I have already prepared this table. So then after that, to calculate the amount, so all the items are quantity 100. So to calculate the amount equal, so then this value into then 100. Okay, so then double click on that, you will get the amount. So then thereafter discount amount. So discount amount again into 10 percentage. So you will get the discount amount. So then net amount is equal amount minus discount amount. So finally you will get the net amount like this. So this is one method. So another method, I am going to calculate these values from these given quantity and the discount. So normally in the Excel, if you want to get some cell values, just like this, equal price into then quantity, then enter. So now I will get that amount. So once I drag and drop this value, so now you can see the initial amount and the next one, anyhow I am getting some amount. After that only I am getting zeros value. Why we are getting like this? So just double click on that. Now you can see C2 and C17, the cell values. Now C3 and you can see C18. But in this place always I want to keep it the C17 value. So C17 means this is the C17. So everywhere I want to keep the C17 value. So if you want to have some cell value continuously, just press F4 key, or else you can manually add some dollar symbols here. So then you can keep that values entire column. Okay, so discount amount also like that, equal amount into discount amount. Now for this discount cell I want to apply the dollar symbols. So by pressing the function 4 key, you will be apply these dollar symbols. Then net amount, is it equal amount minus discount amount, you will get the net amount. So again you want to get the grand totals here. So like this, auto sum, you can get the grand totals. Okay, so then thereafter you want to apply some RS symbols here. Just more accounting formats. So symbol, you can apply some RS symbol. So finally you want to apply some 3D formats. Just select the table. So then here format table, you can apply some 3D styles. If your table has headers, just put a tick on my table has header. Okay, so like this way you can apply that some 3D effects.